Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of memory low on Pixiv. You click on settings. You will go to apps, default apps, app settings. You will search for Pixiv. You will go to this page of app info and you will click on first stop, then you will click OK. You will go here to storage. You will click on clear cache. Then you will turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.